Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our UI US or UI project. Okay, for this particular project. In our previous lesson, this was what we were able to do or how far we've come. Now we want to work on this and then this text. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to in my CSS already. You guys are in the CSS. So in my CSS, I'm going to start with the kudos image. Okay, so this div. Okay, and then I'm going to start by, let's say, so kudos image. I'm going to start by giving it a display flex. So display flex. Okay, and then I'll flex it to margin or to, or let's try align items. So align items. I'm going to center it. Okay, so nothing happened. Okay, so let's try margin auto. So margin auto. We'll set our margins to auto. And then let's see what happens. Okay, so it's centered. Then I can actually take this out since the margin auto is working. Okay, so it's fine. And let me see if I need to do something here. Let's see what happens. Control C. I think it's the same. So now let's see what we want to do. Now let's work with this text. So it is called okay, so it's counts. Okay, so I'm going to call it count. So counts, and I will give it property. So let's set it color. Let's give it a color value of RGB. Let's use 18, comma 110, comma and then 191. Okay, so our color is changed, and then we'll work. Give it a display flex. Display property. So flex. Okay, and then I'm going to set the flex direction to column. Okay, because I want the likes to come to the bottom as we have in our image here. Okay, so flex direction is going to be column. Okay, so we have it down. So flex direction is set to column, and then we'll try to center it. So align items, or set align items to center. Okay, so it's now centered. Okay, so now let's work with the likes. So the like, okay, it's a pound. It's an ID, so I think I called it like. Let's confirm from here. So let's confirm the like. Okay, so like, I want to change its size, so I'll change it to let's give it a font weight of slice lighter. Let's just lighter. Okay, then our h6. So h6. Okay, so the h6 is let's see where h6 is. Okay, so the 1st January 2023. Let's see. I want to give it a margin bottom. So margin bottom of 2 em. So 2 em. Or let's try rem. And then let's work on the fonts of our num. So I'm just going to copy this. So I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. Control V, and I'll change it to num. So num, not so num. Remember, our num is this particular one. So our 1000 here. You can see it's changed here. So we want to change it to let's make it folder. Now let's work on this. Okay, so it's details. So I think we gave it a name called details. So the class is called details. Let's confirm from here. So details is a class, and I'm going to start by giving it a text alignment or center. So text alignment. So I'm going to align the text to center. Okay, so we center it. Okay, so it's centered. We'll display flex. And then flex direction is going to be column. So flex direction is going to be column. Okay, and then we'll set our, let me see what we need to do. It's already aligned and text align. Okay, so we've aligned the text. Let's align items. Let's try align items center. Then let's give it a color of Alice blue. Okay, so let's try something here. When I take this out, so when I comment this out, let's see what happens. Okay, so I think this code, let me just uncomment it and rather take the display flex out. So we still have it's okay. So we just need one to two codes for this place. So the details. Okay. In case of anything, we'll just uncomment it. Okay, so this is what we have now. And then next lesson we'll actually work on the buttons. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.